There you go, guys, it's working. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. So today we're installing a radar detector in the 2009 CC. We are using a wire kit, but it's different. It's not the one that goes to the fuse box. We're gonna connect it to the mirror. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button, it's free. Anyway, without further ado, let's Carstomit. Before you do this project, make sure you have auto dimming mirror, or else it won't work, because you need to have those proper cables to do the connection. So first thing you're gonna do, just move the mirror down a little bit, and there's a little clip here. I already took this out. You just pop it out. Just use your trim removal tool and then pop it out from this side and that side, and then this slides down. Then use the same trim removal tool, pop this thing out on both sides. Okay, got it. Then unlatch this. Then unplug this guy. Put it to the side. I bought this kit on Amazon. It's for most Uniden radar detectors, so it should work for most of them. RJ11 connector to that two little prongs. It comes to extra smaller one. So this is the wire. We're gonna run it through here to come out where the radar is gonna be. So what I do, I have this metal rod here. You probably can use a hanger wire. Fish the metal rod over here. Let's take these to this other T220 to have some more room to run the wire. Just pull this down a touch. You don't need to do a lot, just enough. Then trying to fish this metal piece here. All right, now grab the wire, then tie it to this metal rod. Okay, and then now just pull it slowly. All right, I got it. Now you can take out the tape. So guys, I'll zoom in and I'll also put a picture. The wires that you need, this plug, are literally right next to each other. You have, so the cable that you need, guys, is red and blue. That's for power, and then the ground is the brown right next to it. Let's go and I'll put the little pins so you guys can see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to use these two little pins that comes with it. So the red would go right up here. Too big. I gotta use the small pins. So we're gonna use the small pins. So the kit come with the small pins just for that specific install. So red goes right up there, and then the black goes right next to it. Okay, so this is it, guys. All right, just to be sure, before we do anything, first we're gonna connect this guy. Okay guys, I already showed you the camera. So this is a Uniden R4. So we're just gonna test it to see if it works before we keep going. So the connection is on this side. Nice, it works. Okay guys, I gotta show you this thing because the way we're installing the camera. Let me connect it so I can show you properly. GPS connected. So I got to show you this thing about this radar detector. So the way we're connecting it, because it's connected to the light of the car, so when the lights are on, the radar is going to be on. If your car is on the timer, So that means the radar is gonna stay on until the car is either locked, or the 30-second or 40-second, whatever it is, would time out and the radar will turn off. If you're okay with that, you can leave it alone. It will turn off, but if any lights in the car is open, which is when you open the doors, this would stay on. The only thing I'm worried about, that it might, don't quote me, it might drain your battery, but I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install it this way for a couple days, see what happens. If we get a cold days and the car's still running fine, we'll leave it as is. And then if not, if anything happened, then we'll rerun the wires to make it so it only turns on when you put it in accessory mode. So I just had to say that. Yep, for example, see the car just locked itself. Oh, I just locked the car. Now it turns on. So if I unlock the car, it turns back on. You guys can see it, it turns back on. So the only thing I just wanna make sure it's not gonna drain my battery. Let's finish this install, drive it for a couple of days, see what happened. If our battery drain, then we'll switch it out. Okay, all we have to do is just literally put the 2 screws back that hold this guy. Okay, now we can connect this light. Make sure it's still connected. Yeah. We have 2 more screws here. Okay, then put this thing back. That's it. Now we can route that cable this way. Okay guys, I had a little trouble to put this little cover back. I had to try to trim it a little bit so I can get to push the cable to the side. But I think I was able to get it to work now. Hold on. Just gotta. Okay, finally. Took me a little bit to do. Let me get the suction mount. So there's 2 different suction mount. Let's take out this little plastic thing, the mount on there. All right guys, so found a spot for it. So let's take out the little protector cover thing. All right, so I got the radar on, so we're gonna put it about right here. Okay, it's on. Now we can connect it, and let's adjust this a little. Okay, let's just turn it on real quick to check. All right, so it's not working, so I gotta take out the take this out and check the cable, the connections. Unlock it. Okay, just had to check the cables. All right, need your help. Oh, yeah, thank you. Okay. Try it again. All right, guys, seems to be working.
GPS connected.
So we'll drive around, test it for a little bit, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, I'm coming back to you with this new video because remember we did the radar. We did the radar using the mirror, the auto dimming mirror connection, but we just realized literally within a day that it's draining the battery a little more than we want it to be. So we took that whole thing out, so disregard that whole thing. We're gonna install it using the hardwire kit that we know that the radar would only turn on when you put the key on. So let's go and do that. Okay guys, so the fuse box for the CC is right here. So it's easy as pie. So there's a cover here, you just pop it open this way, and then you're at the fuse box. So we're gonna run the cable now to bring it to the fuse box, and we will figure out which one of these fuses only turn on when you turn on the key. So we're gonna probably use an added fuse. So all right, I made my own wire, so let me show you real quick. So I'll put the this little plug in the description below so you could see what it looks like. So I cut it and made my own plug right in here, and I elongated the wire with this, and then I put the added fuse in there. So all I really need to do now is literally just run the wire. All right guys, so we did run the cable. So we're gonna use a added fuse right here. We checked it already. Once the car is in accessory mode, power comes through here. Take out the key, no more power. Perfect, exactly what we need. And then we're gonna find a ground. I already checked this metal piece right here is all ground. So all I have to do is put it behind either this nut right here, or this one on the bottom, or that one. I just don't know yet. Let me figure out which one I can take out easier, and then we're just gonna ground it and then finish up the wiring. Put it tight. There you go. There you go. Okay guys, sorry I forgot to show you guys how to put this thing back. So the way we found out was the easiest. You got to put the top one in first, and then you kind of maneuver it around and then kind of snake it. Then you push this up. There's a clip that goes like this. It goes on top of this here, so you got to maneuver it around to get it into here. So power right here is the red cable you see, and then we put the ground right underneath this guy, and it's pretty tight, and I know it's working. We ran the wire all the way up here, all the way around, and this is the wire right here. When you're running the wire, take this thing out. It's a lot easier when you take the thing out. You can put your hands over here and then snake the wire. So there's a little tab here. You push the little tab up, and then you pull the whole thing down, and you can pull it out. That's it. Now all we have to do, put the cover back, test the radar detector again. That's it. Let's test the radar detector, guys. There you go, guys. It's working. I think we did a pretty good job. All right. So we'll go through the setting here, but if you guys are interested, we're gonna put the link in the description down below, so just check it out. All right guys, the radar detector is installed. So far it looks good. I like the way it looks. We're gonna drive around and see how it goes, but if anything is missing, comment down below, let me know what you think. Anyway guys, this is all done. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.